Welcome to the Occidental Mine Part 2. These are the samples we took from the mine, and they tended to be, 15.67 pounds. We'll call them 15.5 pounds. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to rush this, heat them up, cold shock them with a little water and vinegar, make them much softer to do. But I have a question for you. Hopefully they appear above. Question number one, which was the ore that they were interested in this mine? Was it one, quartz? Number two, andesite? Or was it shale? Number three. Let us know in the comment section below. Take your guess. Kids, this is for you as well. Know your quarry. All right, if you guessed number one, quartz, you would have been partially right because there is some galena in this quartz. Not a lot of silver and gold, but there is some. It wasn't what they were hunting. If you guessed shale, you were wrong again, although they do find gold in it infernally. That wasn't what they were hunting. If you said andesite, then you were right. The andesite was what they were hunting. These are the andesites we found around the opening mine where they were loading the carts. These should have good high-grade ore in them, and we're going to run them along with the rest of the rocks we found interesting, and we are going to put it all together. All right, now, desert lacquer. You know, if you see something with desert lacquer, you're looking at black, dark, that's rain, sun, cold, and on the bottom when you flip them over, you'll see a whole different thing. What you're looking for is something that looks the same on both sides. It looks really good, and you might be on a winner if you find something like this. So we're going to do these up, and we'll see exactly how much we get. If we get anything worth noting, we'll do another little clip. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. What we are going to do is we're roasting this ore, and we're going to go ahead and it'll automatically break up into smaller chunks. And right here you can see I'm using a little white vinegar with the water to help shock the quartz, and the chemical conversion of the quartz will make it much softer so that you can literally break this stuff up with your fingers. Get back to you.
Yeah, some of it had a lot of crystallization. They were actually really pretty.
Yeah, the ore was in crystalline material, but you can see the little worms in it. Kind of disappointing, but there is a little tubular formation in it. Looks like little worms. So.
It's not going to go.
Yeah, end's hanging out right there.
Yeah, we'll have to.
It's got
the galena down in the
cheap
middle.
galena in it. This is mostly lead. See how dull and gray it is? Yeah. There is a little bit of lead and silver, or a little bit of silver and gold in there, but not much. Mostly lead. So.
But he went ahead and heated these rocks and put it in the vinegar and water solution to help change the structure so it's easy to break. Saves on the chains inside of saves on the wear and tear on the rock crusher, and makes it easier for us. Okay, baby. I'll back up. You notice he's got the face mask on, unless you could get it to rob something. But that's to keep that out of his lungs. Generally, the wind is blowing away from him. Right now, it seems to be blowing towards him.
Hence the mask, 2 layers.
Yep. Yeah, once he heats them up and dumps them out and they cool, after we've done them in the water, vinegar solution, I can pick a lot of these up and literally break them with my hands. So it makes crushing real easy if you don't have a mechanical crusher. Even to do it by hand makes it way simpler. So for you guys that are looking at hard rock and want to figure out what's inside of it, if you can heat it up, drop it in the water. But it really gets to boiling, so you got to be careful and stand back when you drop it in that water. But it does a great job on making it soft and easy to go ahead and break up.
Yeah, even Teresa can break it up with her bare fingers. She's a he woman.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's it. You can see all the different rocks in there, different colors, different stringers. It broke up. And
here's that material that's crushed down. I'm going to run through the sluice. I wasn't overly impressed with the 2 big pieces of all I found. There were little wormlets running through it of material. So we're going to see how much we get, because we did pick up other materials as well. So we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned, and we will get in touch soon as we get through here. As you can see, the slag is mostly glass. There is no matting, and we did get a little prill. And we are going to weigh it up and see what this little lead prill weighs. Stay tuned.
Trying to get more silver than we are gold. Because that mine was more silver. The little prill we got, little bead we got. We're gonna have to weigh it when it cools off.
4/10.
Okay, well, there's what it weighed.
4/10, and between 7 and 8 thousandths. We got more than I thought, but it is an awful little prill. Well, I had delusions of grandeur, but reality jumped up and smacked me upside my head. We did end up with 0.04 of a gram. Looks more gold than silver. And, you know, things went very well with this, except, you know, for 13 pounds, I guess that's not bad. Hopefully it'd be more on the next run. But, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.